welcome to another episode of Motorcycle Mondays. We are back on the 77 gl1000, and one of the things I wanted to show you, obviously, is this rear end right here. It used to be red, and I painted it the same color as the engine and clear coated it and all that. That was one of those things where I forgot to record, and yeah, so it is what it is. And I got the whole rear end put back together, and then I realized that I want to get this in there. Now in that process, I was thinking I was going to do that this week, but I want to show you guys something. If I can get it aimed real well. Take a look. Inside here, I got a little flashlight I'm shining inside. And I don't know how well you're going to be able to see, but there is definitely some rust in there. So this is not going to go in today. What I did pick up, a little rust resolver. So we're going to put that in there. It says it works in 30 minutes. Don't want to put it in and then put fuel in and cause more problems. So, okay, so we are outside because of using a chemical. Yeah, you can see a lot better out here in the sun how rusty it is and everything, but we're just gonna go for this. We're gonna do what we need to do. There we go. All right. Here we go. Drink up, boys and girls. I'm an all-in type of person, even if I don't know what I'm doing. So we're putting this whole thing in. Got a heck of a smell. Now I noticed that my bolt that I put in as a plug is slightly dripping a little bit. So I have it in an area that I don't want the grass to grow. Hopefully the EPA doesn't watch this. Now, since I am not the type to just sit around and wait for things for the next 30 minutes while that's out there doing its thing for the rust, I am going to get this air box put on. But I'm thinking I'm missing a gasket. So we're going to go ahead and at least get it in place, because I think that's going to be easy to get in there once I get that done. So anyway, it's a learning experience. Let's just keep moving forward. Okay, so one thing that I noticed that I'm really good at as I'm assembling things, and I didn't take it apart, which I really kind of regret that now, to be honest with you guys. I wish I would have been the one to take it all apart, because it just would make a lot more sense to me. I did take apart my 1975 CB550, and I've taken apart my 1978 CB750, and so I do have some knowledge of this era of bike and this brand, so that is helpful. But there we go. For the moment, we got the airbox on, and the sad thing is that's probably about 30 minutes. So So we're ready to go out and check out the fuel tank. Okay, so we're gonna check this out. Pretty strong smell. Yeah. Nice and green in there, kind of funky looking. I want you guys to pay attention because this next step is really complicated. We're gonna take the gas tank because it was sitting like this, and we're gonna go like this. Okay, might have blown your minds, and now we wait another 30 minutes. Here we go. All right, continue the process and flip. Here we go again. Missed. Okay, now that I have got this thing flipped and rotated like 14 different times, half an hour a piece, feels like it's taken forever. So I'm not going to get the gas tank installed on this video because I know I'm going to be well over the 5 minutes that I try to keep it to. But I pulled the bolt and we're just going to drain this. See what it looks like. I've heard you can reuse this stuff. It's not the same color that it went in, that's for sure. And I'm sure this is a OSHA regulated container here. We got some floaties in there and everything. And so I think it's definitely doing its job. So that is going to be it for this episode, and we'll get to the gas tank next week, and we'll see you on the next one.